Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Bigo Live account. Bigo Live is a popular live streaming platform where you can go live, watch others and make new friends. So yes, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Bigo Live and install the app. After installation, open the Bigo Live app. So here you will see a welcome screen with different login options. Tap more at the bottom to view few more options. You can sign up using your phone number, your Facebook ID, your Google account or other accounts. Let's choose one. If you use your phone number, type it in and tap next. For now, I'll go with my Google account. If you choose your phone number, Bigo Live will send a verification code OTP to your phone or email. Enter the code to confirm your account. I'll simply cancel saving. Now add your gender, your birthday. Once done, tap confirm. Tap next. This will help others recognize you when you go live. Once your account is ready, you can explore live streams, follow broadcasters, or even start your own live show. And that's it. You have successfully created your Bigo Live account. Now you can join streams, interact with people, and go live anytime. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.